was 2001. I was working with a producer at the time who was working with a fairly successful band that had a handful of hits, late 90s, early 2000s. They were working on a new album. And once they completed the album, they had about 5-6 leftovers that they didn't use. Mind you, they had no lyrics, it was just a structure. It was a basic skeleton of a song. Just the various chords. And I think the bass line was there. And that's about it. So when I came to the studio, the producer presented those unused songs if I can, use any of them. And this specifically spoke to me immediately. I saw potential. It gave off We Are the World, Heal the World. There was something of peace and calm and unity, and that's what I felt.
World coming. As I look around me, I can see all the misery that needs a helping hand. I've got to give it all my heart. You know we have to make it right. No matter what they say, I'm gonna be by your side. Open up your heart and let there be love.
So I took a copy with me of the demo, grabbed a cup of coffee and a piece of cake, sat on the floor, popped the CD in, pulled out a year in review magazine. It was, after all, late November, early December of 2001. And the newspaper of the day, piece of paper, and a pen. And that's all. And then I start looking through things and thinking, reflecting upon 2001. It was a very important year for me personally. It was the year I got married. It was the year my son was born. It was also the year of 9/11. So 15-20 minutes and my hand started writing, I'm going to open up my heart to the world this morning, see if I can help a friend. I'm going to pull back the shades of my fear this morning and let the light of the world come in. As I look around me, I can see all the misery that needs a helping hand. I've got to give it all my heart.
This morning, on every door of the world, as I look around me, I can take the tears and pain across the world. Ooh, give it to you, girl. I've got to give it all my heart. You know we have to make it right, no matter what they say.
It's a song of hope. And it's one of those rare songs where it came on really fast. It took me 45 minutes and it was done, it was completed. I went to the studio, I believe 2-3 days after that. We recorded 3-4 takes, I believe, and a week later the mixing and everything. So the whole thing was like probably 2 weeks. 2 weeks and the song was complete. It was one of the few songs that came on really quick because they were very organic, very natural, from the heart, not much thinking. Yeah, I'm very proud of it, and I hope you will like it too and enjoy it.
Make a new start in the world. this morning. See if you can't help a friend, baby. I've got to give it all to you. You know we have to make it.
I think it's timeless. It speaks to any time, any event, and especially in this time of the pandemic. It's current, like I wrote it back in 2001.
Make a new start in the world this morning.